Hey, I'm Joe DiGiulio, and I want to give you a quick lesson on the Matisse color line. Matisse acrylics are actually divided into two viscosities of paint: the structure, or the more impasto quality paint, and the flow, which is more of a veneer type of paint. When you paint it, it has a self-leveling properties. Let me just give you a quick little demonstration. You see, when the flow comes out, it squeezes out of the tube. It's got almost like a ketchup consistency. But when you move it around, it doesn't peak up. It actually will kind of record whatever the surface quality of the canvas is. Pulling a brush around, it's great if I want to do washes, glazing, or anything where actually I don't want to record brush strokes. That's really a key to the line of flow. There's over 80 colors. They're both the same paint. They both have the same amount of pigment to them, but the important thing to know is the textural consistency of each one. Structure, think of it. I'm building a structure. It's an impasto. It's a paste. Whereas flow, as the name indicates, smooth sailing. You see, I can peak it up. So when texture is required, you're looking for structure. But if I just want to do some very brushless stroked, say portraiture, perhaps flow might be the line best for you. Matisse has been around since the early 60s, and I tell you, when I paint professionally, it's my choice. And I can combine the two. There's nothing that says you can't use flow along with structure in your painting. The thing is, just know what application it's suited best for. If I want to do screen printing or silk painting, something like that, I'm probably going to take the flow. But if I'm doing some textural effects, something very thick in nature, I'll use the structure. I can move the structure around with a bit of water or acrylic painting medium, whatever I'm using, and actually get that to thin its viscosity. But it's much better to just go ahead and use the flow in that case. You can have both in it, and they will work and blend together beautifully. But the important thing to know, when you're working with it, if you want texture, look for structure. If you want something that's going to be flat and self-leveling, use the flow. Very simply, you can't go wrong when you're using Matisse Derivan's flow or structured paint. For acrylics, it's my choice professionally. I'm Joe DiGiulio. Thanks for stopping in.